see your comment. If you have any solution or any problem, then let me know. Yes. I can see that you like my view. If my view is okay, give me a thumbs up. This is Opinga YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video and share it. Let's go into what we are talking about. The 4,000 watch hours, it is the most important thing. Subscriber doesn't matter all that. By your 4,000 watch hours and then your 1K subscriber matters. Yes. Thank you for commenting. Matter. Thank you for commenting. Like this video and share it to other people. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. Yes. They are talking about 40,000 watch hours and 1K subscribers. It is easy to get your 40,000 watch hours if you go according to this criteria there and then tricks that I'm giving to you. Yes. Yeah. Don't be lazy on YouTube, and don't be desperate to make money on YouTube. YouTube will take you through a lesson. YouTube is like a life that you go through. You can't just get up one day and just be making money on YouTube. You go through step by step, every stage and its activity. Me, I started YouTube in 2021 August. 3 years down the line, I got about 2 million plus subscribers. Yes, but I got monetized this recently. I got demonetized about 3 times, and I finally got monetized recently. And when I follow YouTube rules and regulation, I'm making it out of the way. But at first, I will monetize within some few days, and I got demonetized. So YouTube is a serious place to play. You can't play tricks on YouTube. But when you follow their rules and regulations, you will be successfully. You'll be successful. So I want you to stay on your content originality. Create your own content. Don't always add people contents basa like that. Stay on your own content. Create your own content. That will help you to grow. Why am I saying that? As before, my channel got about 2 billion viewers. When they demonetize me and tell me that I have reused content, I have to delete most of the videos. When I delete most of the videos, my videos don't perform well again. That is one of the problem about what YouTube reuse content. If you are using your own content, it is better than never, because when you are using your own content and you post video, you get 1K views. Yes, it's good to go. As you are doing that, you are building up. It will get to the time you have about just 1,000 subscribers, and when you post a video, you get 50,000 views. That's so the magic of YouTube. So YouTube is a big platform for everybody. So let's go into our point again. How to get your 40,000 watch hours. It is easy as ABC. Search for a topic that people are demanding. Yes, it's like, why am I saying that topic? It's like you have went to an area, you want to put up a work, and you have to do visibility. Yes, when you do visibility, you don't do one visibility. So YouTube too is like that. When you create a channel and you want to go far, you have to check this type of video that I'm posting, are they performing well? If they are not performing well, you change about another type of videos. If that one too is not performing well, by the time that you get your third video, the video will be performing very, very well. So take note of what I'm telling you. It is easy to achieve what you are on YouTube for. Please, what I want to tell you again is, in YouTube, you need to support somebody. Somebody too will support you. Don't be too greedy.